What is Linux? Linux towards developed Linux, a Unix-like, free, open source, and kernel operating system. Mainly it is designed for systems, servers, embedded devices, mobile devices, and mainframes, and is also supported on major computer platforms such as ARM into 86 and Spark. Explain the basic features of the Linux OS. Some basic features of Linux are: Linux is free and easily available. It is more secure than other operating systems because it uses security auditing and password authentication features. Linux has its personal software repository. It includes multiple languages throughout the world. Hence, Linux supports different languages keyboards. It offers CLI and GUI to different command and applications such as Firefox and VLC, etc. Name some Linux distros. There are various Linux distros, but the following are the most commonly used: Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, Fedora, and Red Hat. What are the major differences between Linux and Windows? The following table will help understanding the differences between Linux and Windows. Compression factor: free and paid. Linux is free and open source OS. Windows is not open source and is free to choose. Compression factor: path separator. As path separator, it uses a forward slash. Windows uses a backward slash between the directories. Efficiency: Linux is more efficient than Windows. Windows is less efficient. Kernel type: it uses a monolithic kernel. It uses a microlithic kernel. File system: Linux file system are cache sensitive. Its file system is cache insensitive. Define the basic component of Linux. Majorly, there are five basic components of Linux: kernel, shell, GUI, application programs, and system utilities. Kernel: Linux kernel is core part of the operating system that works as bridge between hardware and software. Shell is an interface between a kernel and a user. GUI offer different ways to interact with the system, known as the graphical user interface. Application program: it is designed to perform a bundle of tasks through a bundle of functions. System utilities: it is the software functions through which users manage the system.